Everyone tells you to buy in the Sun Belt. Florida, Texas, Arizona, the safe bets. But here's the cold truth. Cap rates are crashing. You're paying premium prices for razor-thin margins. If you want actual cash flow in 2026, you're looking in the wrong direction. We've spent the last 6 months analyzing migration patterns and rental yield data across the entire country. We aren't looking at where people moved in 2021. We're tracking where the smart money is shifting right now to capture the next wave of growth. Today, we're ignoring the hype. I'm breaking down 5 undervalued Midwest cities, primed for a massive 2026 boom. These markets offer the perfect storm. Low entry costs, surging population growth, and rental yields that actually make sense for a professional portfolio. By the end of this video, you'll have a precise short list of cities to diversify your holdings and secure passive income that doesn't rely on hope. Let's dive in. You've been told to invest in the Sun Belt. It's the hot new thing. But let's be real, everyone's investing there. Cap rates are crashing, and cash flow is dwindling. You're not getting the returns you need. In fact, some of the most popular Sunbelt cities are seeing cap rates as low as 4%. That's not investing, that's speculating. You need actual cash flow to build wealth. But where do you turn? The Midwest is often overlooked, but it's home to some of the most undervalued cities in the country. Cities with high rental yields and population growth. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, you need to look beyond the hype. The Sun Belt's not the only game in town. In 2026, the Midwest is poised to boom. And we're about to show you the top 5 cities to invest in. The secret to 2026 isn't finding a hot market. It's finding a stable market before the crowds arrive. While everyone is fighting over overpriced condos in Florida, the smart money is moving north. We're looking for the golden trifecta: low entry costs, steady population growth, and rental yields that actually put money in your pocket every month. To find these, I don't guess. I use PropStream to pull hard data on vacancy rates and equity. If you're not using data, you're gambling. Let's dive into the 5 cities primed for a 2026 boom. First up, Columbus. This isn't just a college town anymore. Intel is pouring billions into a new semiconductor hub here. That means thousands of high-paying engineering jobs. When high earners move in, rental demand spikes. Look for B-class properties in the surrounding suburbs. You'll get the appreciation of a tech hub with the cash flow of the Midwest. Next is Indy, the crossroads of America. Indianapolis is a logistics powerhouse. It's recession-resistant because the world's goods move through here. Entry prices are still incredibly low compared to the coasts. I recommend using Deal Machine to find off-market deals here. Skip the MLS. Find the tired landlords. That's where the 10% cap rates are hiding. Third, Kansas City. Casey is seeing a massive surge in remote workers fleeing the coasts. They want space, but they keep their big city salaries. This creates a huge demand for renovated single-family homes. Now, look at Grand Rapids. This is a healthcare goldmine. The medical mile is driving consistent, professional rental demand. It's one of the most stable markets in the country. Low volatility, consistent growth. Finally, Cincinnati. Cincinnati is currently undervalued. The rental yield here is some of the highest in the region. It's the perfect spot for portfolio diversification. If you're managing these from afar, you need a solid CRM to track your leads and tenants. Without a system, your passive income becomes a full-time job. Now, knowing where to look is half the battle. But finding the actual deals in these Midwest markets, that's where most investors fail. I use PropStream to pinpoint these undervalued pockets. It lets me filter for high-equity owners and distressed properties in seconds. Combine that with Deal Machine for direct-to-seller outreach, and you turn a blind search into a precision strike. The result? I've secured properties with 10% plus cap rates, while the crowd is fighting over 4% in Florida. Stop guessing and start using data. Click the links in the description to get started with PropStream and Deal Machine today. Build your 2026 portfolio on facts, not hype. Now, let's dive into the first city on our list.